In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the black screen over on Instagram. So if you're facing this problem, do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get rid of this problem. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have, search for Instagram there, and make sure that your application must be up to date, like it is updated to the latest version of the Instagram, so that you can access all the features in it, and most probably your problem will be fixed. If it is not working still, all you need to do, you have to go to settings after that and go to applications management. So once it will load it, and now you have to go to Instagram and simply go to storage usage. Now just simply click on clear cache so that the cache memory will be cleared. You can also clear the data of Instagram if you want, and after that just launch the application right away, and boom, you can see our problem has been fixed. So this is basically how you can get rid of this problem. All for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.